I've got an important question for you. Are you ready? Are you a retirement saver who wants your retirement portfolio to perform well and make money, but in the back of your mind you're becoming more and more concerned you could be subject to huge losses that totally upend your financial goals? Well, if you answered yes, you're not alone. That's why many of the most successful investors out there are those who take the necessary steps to protect their portfolios from those inevitable downturns that crush normal investors. Now, a time-honored way to protect your savings is by investing in gold. That's right, investors have sought the safety and security of gold for centuries, and today is no different. When stock markets crash, or even when there's a hint of a crash, investors race to get their hands on as much gold as they can. Just look at the recent actions of the central banks across the globe. They are, quote unquote, stockpiling gold right now. But even outside of difficult financial times, investing in gold can be a smart and proven method of portfolio diversification. One way to take your precious metal investing further is with Gold IRA investing. And if you listen closely, you'll learn how you can put a Gold IRA to work safeguarding your life savings. A gold-backed IRA allows investors to invest in gold and other precious metals while still enjoying the same tax advantages of an IRA retirement account. Just like conventional IRAs, a gold IRA can allow you to use pre-tax dollars to invest in gold, or a Roth IRA in which they use post-tax dollars. Even with those SEP or simple IRAs, you can still invest through a gold IRA. Investors can also roll over existing retirement assets into a gold IRA, which is called a Gold IRA rollover. Clever name, right? This allows investors to lock in gains they may have made in stocks and transfer that wealth into precious metals, which can provide more stability and protection in troubled financial times. Just wait until you hear about the 5 major advantages that could give your retirement accounts the upper hand. Gold IRAs have numerous advantages for all levels of investors, both those nearing retirement and those earlier in their careers. This doesn't mean that you have to pour all of your assets into a gold-backed IRA, but even a small percentage can be incredibly beneficial. Investors who put gold into their portfolios during the 2008 financial crisis saw their investments strongly outperform those who kept their assets in stocks. Let's take a more detailed look at the 5 benefits of Gold IRA investing. 1. Diversification beyond stocks and bonds. Diversification doesn't just mean having a mix of stocks and bonds, which is what most financial advisors are most familiar with. It means diversifying your assets so that you're not concentrating your risk in any one area. Traditional retirement accounts that offer a mix of stocks, bonds, money market funds, etc., are all at the mercy of Wall Street. If financial markets seize up, if bond markets become illiquid, or if stock markets crash, all of those assets can perform poorly. Just look at what's happening with the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, among others. One advantage of investing in physical gold is that it helps investors diversify and shift risk away from traditional financial assets. 2. Insurance against stock market fluctuations. Physical gold acts as a hedge against more volatile markets. The boom and bust of the business cycle is all but a certainty, with stock market crashes and recessions occurring with unfortunate regularity. Gold has always acted as a hedge. Unlike paper assets like stocks and bonds that can become worthless as companies fail, gold has held value for thousands of years. 3. Control over investments. Investing in a gold IRA also provides investors with a greater element of control over their investments. For many investors who may save for retirement through a 401k plan, the options available to them are limited. By opening a gold IRA, they gain an extra element of control over their investment portfolio, as they are the ones who determine what types of gold or silver they invest in. 4. Positive growth potential. With everything going on, from the 2008 financial collapse to COVID-19 and recent bank failures and bailouts, advisors still recommend stocks for asset growth for 2 reasons. They're still stuck feeling nostalgic about the 1982 to 2000 stock market boom. Most financial advisors make their money off fees associated with stock trades, asset management, etc. They don't make a dime selling people gold. With a gold IRA, you can benefit from gold stability, take advantage of future price growth, which can sometimes be substantial, and still have immediate access to your money should you wish to sell your gold or transfer your wealth into other assets. 5. Tax advantages like a conventional IRA. Like we mentioned earlier, investing in a gold-backed IRA also offers the same tax advantages as a conventional IRA. You can invest in gold with pre-tax dollars or post-tax dollars with a Roth Gold IRA, roll over existing retirement assets with no tax consequences, and defer taxation until you decide to take a distribution. And just like with contributions to a traditional IRA, annual contributions to a traditional gold IRA can even be tax deductible. And the really good news is it's never been easier to get started with a gold IRA than it is today with a company like Goldco. And next up, we'll show you exactly how you could get started today. If you have an existing retirement account, this is a simple process. One of the first things to do is find a trusted partner like Goldco that can offer the best in precious metals investing. Goldco has helped thousands of investors place over $1 billion in precious metals. Once you've chosen a partner, you'll go through some basic steps to get your gold IRA started. Complete documents to set up a new gold IRA account and transfer or rollover funds from your existing IRA, 401k, or other retirement account. You may also opt to contribute funds according to annual IRA limits, thus opening a new IRA. Submit documents to your precious metals advising partner, open a new gold-backed IRA, select qualified precious metals investments, purchase and pay for gold. Then you'll be on your way to potentially protecting and growing your life savings. Regardless of your age, there are many questions about investing, and Goldco is always here to help. From learning about daily gold prices to gold IRA or 401k transfers and rollovers, we can help you navigate the world of precious metals investing with ease and success. We believe that gold IRAs are the best way to diversify and protect your investment portfolio. With both tremendous potential for growth as well as the ability to safeguard your existing wealth, precious metals are unmatched as physical investment assets. If you have any questions or you want to get started today, give us a call at the number on your screen or click on the link in the description below.